Holy shit.
Oh no. Dude, honestly, as long as it's not windy, it's not too bad. I mean, this is still bad, but the wind makes it like 10 times worse.
What temp we at right now?
It's -2, real feel 15
Oh
below 0 Fahrenheit. Oh God, I love Minnesota.
Get me!
How's your morning?
Oh my God.
Oh, fucking hell.
Is it almost 0 out?
No, it's 15 below right now.
All these teens are like, you're crazy. Like, I'm from upstate New York. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Okay. There you go.
Hey, Phil's gonna be mad today. He's in breed practice.
Oh, is he really?
Yes.
That's amazing.
I pity the first kid that messes with them.
Coffee or tea?
Black coffee. I need some caffeine to get me going in this 15 below weather. It's a little bit quieter track walk this morning when it's at 7 a.m. We don't have much to talk about.
Should we... Where is Cam?
Cam, my mechanic, who's Canadian, went back after A3 flew back to get a doctor's appointment, and they wouldn't let him back across the border yesterday.
So we have no Cam this week.
He's stuck in Canada. So Cam's in Canada. Just not the same without Cam.
Sorry, Cam.
My
He's bigger or
lord.
smaller than the West Coast?
Dude, they're smaller and they're more round. These look amazing. Not gonna lie. I'm pretty excited to hit these.
Not just clench your asshole when
Yeah.
you come in.
I'm just gonna wait right here. I'm like a plane ready to take off. I'm gonna spin too. I know. No hands. Dude, look how much dirt they used for that day berm.
It's broken.
It is? Are you gonna try riding on that?
I did yesterday.
How was it?
I wasn't even
fine?
sure if I was gonna be able to ride, but I can do it.
What thing do you use on the clutch? That one?
This one.
I mean the brake.
This one.
So I guess no fun brake.
Yeah, no. Who needs brakes anyway?
Whoa, troll train.
KP.
What's going on?
How are you, buddy?
Good. How's it going? Good to be here. It's way too cold, but
Why is it so cold?
Big Al brought the cold with him. I don't know. I don't know how people live here. Look at his little finger.
No, I was talking with my brother. He's got like stick legs.
You got what?
Stick legs. Me, for sure. Yeah. I arm wrestled him over Christmas. So easy.
Really?
So easy.
Hey,
My wife almost got him in an arm wrestling contest. I wonder where he's going.
Where's your bro going?
I don't know. His semi's upstairs with all of his, like they're literally pitted out of the semi. Yeah, there's the man, Vince.
Good?
Oh, you just stay away from me, Vince. For fuck's sake.
Ask him what practice he is so you're not in the same one.
Yeah. All right, we go.
Who's texting you?
Cam, drink some attention early on and set the tone for the night. Ride the f***ing wheels off that bitch.
How are you cleaning out today?
Probably myself.
You good?
Same.
Same? Just colder?
Yeah, Yoshi.
Everyone knows Yoshi.
No, I don't think so.
How we doing?
Good, man.
All right.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
How we feeling?
Good.
How is the 2.6?
He's good as always. Look at him. He's chipper.
Look at that. Fit? Oh, look at those pants going on easy, dude. He's lean. He's lean. Amar, people sleeping on Amar in the whoops. It's been good. It's been
Surprisingly.
low-key smashing the whoops. Hey, buddy.
How we doing, mate?
What's up, dude?
You all right? Like, just to drag you out of the house, though. You know?
Dude, I'm like, it's been so miserable. Like, I haven't been doing much. The first week at ACL.
Was that your first time you've done it or no?
First time on my right knee. I did it on my left one.
you ever need a smile, just FaceTime me. Let me know. Make your day.
Yeah, Mont.
You don't got to run around this week or jumping jacks?
7 rounds in, we got a spin bike. Kind of nice.
Fucking luxury.
I suppose it's about that time. Head on down. Dude, I got like squirrel dick whiskey throttle, and it went right. Like I hit an edge and the whoops went right.
Did your foot slip off?
Yeah, and like I just grabbed a bunch of throttle.
Went off
and I
the triple face to the right into the oncoming lane to the tabletop.
Yeah, went over the tabletop by the finish line, went backwards down that. Whipped a 180 in the last corner.
You go onto the tabletop?
Yeah.
Holy
And then back down
What,
the
you just
downside.
caught the edge in the groove or whatever?
Yeah, and like I just gave it a handful.
Short legs just wide open.
Yeah, it's on top of the leaderboard with a 26-second lap time.
Talking about baby.
Freaking tough.
Yeah, they look, I can't really see from up high.
They're smaller, but they look hard to get through.
So hard. I couldn't believe it. On track walk, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, oh, those will be cake. By the time 450A practice went out, they were so cupped out already.
How's his finger?
I can feel it throbbing.
Yeah.
Ice.
Alex wants ice. How's the dirty snow?
Probably could have done without this piece, Dano.
I had the guy in gloves grab it. I didn't want to grab it. It was a little cold for my hands. He had gloves on, the security guard. I'm like, will you grab me 2 chunks of snow?
Yeah.
You know you got a little troll hidden right here?
Huh? Oh, he's cute.
We're filling in for Cam.
Filling in for Cam. Poor guy.
Poor
Sorry,
guy
Cam.
got deported.
Deported. Nah, poor guy. I'll do my best for you. Thanks for the tools.
What's the clean practice meal?
Today we're doing a macro bar.
A
Macro
what
bar. We got a little P&G electrolytes and some collagen protein for the Achilles tendon. It's kind of a problem every race.
What's up with that thing?
It's chronic.
Phil is not stoked today.
It's so funny. You can tell his nerves are just all the time right now.
He's not. We were all trying to find Alex, and we look up, and he's found his way up on the TV.
A lot of interviews today.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, my bad.
Hometown guy. Yeah, practice was good. I was almost top 10 in that first one, and then we ended up ultimately P14 overall. So honestly, felt really good. Comfort level was probably better than it's been for a couple races now. Even with the finger is definitely holding me back a little bit, just because that's my braking finger, and I'm having to switch it up. But honestly, comfort level's high today, so speed's there. Just need to get a start now. And then do the shuffle. The truffle shuffle, just like him.
How is that?
This apple's so good. Alright, we're hitting it.
Later, Apple Boy.
Felt really good. I see you do that 3-3-3 every time.
Was your bike not starting? Is that why you're sitting on the table?
Yeah, I couldn't get the start. Probably because I was in gear.
I was gonna say, I hope you were.
No, I'm like, would not start.
Yeah.
Huh?
Was it first name?
No, A-Ray. A-Ray. No, not you.
Fucking stop at
Dude,
all.
you fucking sent it. You were on death mission, bro.
I didn't mean to be, but
you like went in so
I didn't
hot.
want to do that at
I'm
all.
like, dude, I like had no choice but just braked with his finger. Because it was just like straight muscle memory. Because like I had to stop fast coming in. Because you're like so committed, and then all of a sudden you're like on brakes.
You're getting your glove on?
Yeah, I had to like develop a technique to get it in. To get it in. That sounds really bad. I had to develop a technique to get the glove on. All right.
Have fun.
Well, it looks like the 95 of Justin Starling was able to get a good start, but the 34 of Max Ansey gets around him. So Max Ansey right there on that 34 bike takes advantage.
That's right, Dan. And we have Alex Martin and the 7 Deuce Deuce of Entenmann's sitting right off the bubble. So you have some fast guys stacked in this LCQ.
Look at Joanne Cross and Alex Martin battling. A. Martin get by. Great job by the 26. Able to get past the Mad Cart Circuit Equipment Kawasaki Joanne Cross.
I did not ride good in that LCQ. It was like a really bad start, and then I was like in 6th, and made a couple passes to get into 4th. And yeah, riding behind Brees, I'm like, I want to stay away from this kid. Thank God I was in 4th, and I didn't have to pass him.
I love you. Go get him. Go get him, Brian.
I'm gonna go watch your dumbass brother too.
It's a good plan.
All right, good luck, brother.
Thanks, bro. feel like I actually had a good pace going with the guys. Like, you know how infuriating it is to ground the first corner and dead last?
Then dead last. Literally
Dead
dead last.
It's so like embarrassing.
Don't worry. I gotta hear about
I feel like just a goon out there. I think my gloves, some of my gloves stuck in there. It's like a bubble. It's like bubble gum.
That's gross. That's gross. That's finger. That's gross. That's really bad.
Yeah. But just need a little bit more. Yeah.
You gotta be these assholes that lap you. I mean, they'll get around you. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we'll work on it. Steve.
Okay, all right.
I just don't want one of those like me, Wilson, Ken Roxon things.
No, you don't want to end up on vital. Right.
Well, we end up on vitals regardless of what happens. Yeah, buddy. Sweet number plate.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, the long walk back to the semi.
Where are we going now?
It's actually like, I don't even feel like it was a day race because we were inside all day. I never saw the sun. And, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Round 7, done and dusted. Heading to Dallas next weekend. Yeah, Minneapolis. Minneapolis is good. We got a career best, 14th in the main. It doesn't sound impressive on paper, but I'm telling you, when you ride with these guys every weekend, I'm like, all right, I'm happy with it right now. Baby steps.
All right, let's go in the negative degree weather.